Up. So I'm going to be doing a backtesting video. I guess we'll do 50K to imitate. Wait, this website's a little fucked. There we go. Do 50K to imitate like I am. What's it called? Imitate like I am on an eval, right? Trying to pass an eval. Do NAS start date. What should I do? So this website, okay, it's semi-limited. I'll do like some random day. I'll do like September, I don't know, September, like, let's just do like 4th, start of the month, on a Thursday. Definitely better than a, whatever, a Monday or Friday. Oh, I shouldn't have done a Thursday, because then I'll have to, oh, okay, whatever, it's all good. So I am a West Coast trader, so of course my market opens at 6:30. A little bit of a tough time getting up, but I don't mind it. I never really minded it, to be honest. Okay, so going into my day, I like to start out by marking out some draws. Obviously, we have this high right here. Okay, so we're in a bullish trend, but I don't really like any of these bullish draws. So I could picture price easily. What time is this at? I picture price easily reversing right now. It's also at like the midpoint of this, so I think it's gonna reverse, and then it could immediately reverse, but we'll see what happens. No, I think it's gonna go shorts first and then longs. That's what I think. Whoa. Okay, so we're gonna rip, but there's really nothing for it to rip to. So here there's no draws. So like, okay, we swept these. We swept everything. The next draw is like nowhere. So short. If we get a push out, I might just enter like immediately. Even though, yeah, I might enter off this IFBG. They say do the manipulation leg. Okay, but look, there's really no reason for price to continue going higher. At least that's how I see it. There's really nothing. I do trade a lot of liquidity sweeps. There's really nothing, no reason for it to go higher. I'm just gonna take, this is such an easy shorts. Take it to this draw, I guess. There you go. Where should my break-even point be? I would say, I mean, I feel like this is just gonna hit, like, no matter what. Dude, I don't know where to break even at, though. It's a little janky. Okay, I like this trade so much because there's really nowhere else for it to go. I'll break even, like, at this little internal high, I guess, or low. There's nowhere else for price to go. There's really nowhere, okay, like, in my mind, this will 100% hit if it doesn't break even. Okay, don't revert, okay. Here we go. Don't break even, please. No way, okay. We're chilling? I think, oh, okay. This is the one thing about this app, this website. I mean, it's free, but like, you have to wait for this. This shit is so ass, but it's all good. It is all good. 15 seconds. Close this shit, should be good. Okay, please hit. Oh my god, no. Bang, okay. First trade, level 2 RR. That's the most RR I normally ever trade. Bang. Easy trade. What day is it? What time is it? 7? I guess we can, okay. I wouldn't really do this in the real market, but just for backtesting's sake, I'll just see what price does for the rest of this day. I mean, I don't think we're done. This day is pretty, I guess. I'll keep going. Wait, what did we just sweep? I mean, we just literally swept out everything again. Wait, am I tripping? How many points is this? 100? Dude, I feel like we won't even get there again. We should have this low. Okay. That's my draw. Yeah. Should have literally everything. I might low-key want longs on the same day. I don't trade the same day normally in the live market. I think that's just bad, but we'll see what happens. Okay. I mean, I don't know if I really want to switch my bias here. Okay, resweep. In my eyes, there's really nowhere for price to go once again. So, okay. Like, that's some crazy movement. I mean, whoa. That's crazy movement. What do we... Okay, so we just inverse this 5, but I low-key missed my entry. Okay, look. So this is... Wait. So I would take this trade. I know, same day, a little crazy. Targeting... How many points? 70? It's a little high. It's a little aggressive. I'll just like, shorten it. Like, okay, here. I'll just target, like, this. Break even. This would be my trade. Would break even here at these equal highs. Inverse the 5, so I'd rock up stop loss down here. If it inverses this gap, my trade is like fucked. So I missed my entry. So maybe it'll put me back in, but okay, I'm in. Don't inverse. Okay, I think we're chilling. Hopefully. Okay, we can move stop to break even here. Bang. No way we edge. No. Okay. Bang. So, 2 trades in one day. I don't normally take that live, but this day kind of looked insane in my eyes. So, let's go to the next day. So this website's a little bummy. You kind of have to like maneuver yourself to the next day like crazy. Wait. Shit. Fuck. Also breaks sometimes. But this is definitely what I use to backtest. I'd recommend it for sure. I'm just not trying to pay money on like backtesting ever. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're just straight ripping. We have like, what is this? This is all-time highs? Okay. So we're looking at all-time highs. So here, I'd only really want longs. We're definitely not short if we're approaching all-time highs. Looks like I missed market open a little bit. But I wouldn't have traded any of this anyways. So insta sweep these lows actually. But we didn't left that unmitigated. So I don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we're just kind of chopping. Maybe look on the 5 here. I wouldn't even short all-time highs, so. But we just sweep. Low key. But I'm not trying to trade against my. Okay, so this is a little iffy because this is all-time high, so it's quote-unquote long bias. But then a dump like this, like this is the 1 hour close. I might just fade. This would be the setup though. It'd be here targeting. Oh shit, fuck. Here targeting. I don't even know what. Targeting what? There's actually too many gaps. I wouldn't take this trade ever. Yeah, I'm not taking this trade. I have a bad feeling about it. Yo. So we're just gonna continue lower and yeah, I don't like any of this. I'm not gonna short all-time highs ever. So I'm basically the king of taking no trades, by the way. I'd definitely much rather stay out than actually take a trade. I think that's just a good mindset to have. But like, I guess it depends how you trade. But if you trade the way I do, I like to risk kind of heavy. So we will see what happens on this Monday. This Monday right here. Okay. So we have this no wog. I'd actually target this low though too. But then we have the unfilled no wog right here. New week opening gap. Very strong point in liquidity. We also have this. Okay. We are not at all-time highs. So here I would say my bias is like longs. But to be honest, like I could low key see us reversing. I mean, I don't know. I don't want to take longs though because we're ripping. You see this motion? Like, I don't really want to take longs here, I guess. So I guess I'll look for longs here. Okay. Insta rip off of, but we have no like liquidity sweep, nothing really. So I like to just look on the 5 minute, to be honest. Okay. We have 15? Okay, we have 15 gap. I do like to go in off of that. Okay, we get a sweep of the 15. I like this draw a lot. Let's keep going here. What type of gaps do we have going? I mean, just inverse the, wait, inverse the 2. Did it inverse? I don't think it even inversed. Not the inverse. Okay, I don't like that. Whoa. I want this to inverse that 3 maybe, and I go in. Okay. Whoa. Dude, what? Okay, wait, inverse the 5. We're gonna inverse the 5. If we inverse the 5, I'll go in. Okay. So my entry would have been here. Oh shit. Here. Tap the 15, inverse the 5. I would have entered here. Looks like we missed entry though. 38 point. Wait, hold on. I'd do it. Rock a nice break even right there. If it inverses, I'd basically be fucked. Right. See if it puts me in. It might not. So my break even would be probably here. So let's see. Okay, so I would already be break even. So yeah. Okay, so this trade didn't count. Hopefully it breaks evens me again. Okay, so this break even. I missed my entry just because we're back testing, but here and then break even at this internal high. That would have been the trade. Break even. Whatever. It's part of how I trade. I don't really mind a break even. So let's see what happens the rest of this day. Okay, 8 o'clock, I'll just get off. Go next, I guess. Next day, hold up, where is it? Where is, hold up, right here. Let's go to the 9th of September. I did live trade in September, but I traded a little bit differently than how I do now. But September was a decent month. I mean, some people didn't like it, some people hated it. I thought it was okay. It was a little boring. October was ass though. October was really bad if you traded that. Those were a little bit demonic times. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Here we go. So there's some interesting levels here that you should definitely take into account when you're looking for a trade. And now, okay, sorry, okay. What's my bias? I guess longs. It's a little choppy pre-market though, but it's all good. I mean, if I have a bias, like I'll take my bias. Like I'm not gonna take anything else. Can we sweep this low? Maybe? Sweep this low. Like I would take some easy longs here if we sweep this low. Okay, we kind of chop to sweep it. It's whatever. Re-sweep. Wait, hold up. What time is it? 7:06. So I'd go in if it inverses 2, probably. Did it inverse it? I guess it did. Is there a higher? Okay, well I guess I just missed my, okay, so this would have been my trade. It's kind of annoying. I just missed it. But this would be the trade to take. So, tapped liquidity. I wanted longs, basically. And inverse the 2 instantly. Like, I like a good, clean candle movement like that. So here, we would be targeting, let's see, break even here. Targeting this internal high, preferably. Oh, 2.8, okay. No, I'm not doing, I wouldn't do that. Actually, what did we just touch here? We just swept out. I mean, I like this trade a lot, but I don't really have anything to target. That's the issue here. These candle bodies, because I don't trade like crazy RR like that. But here would be my trade. Let's see if it. Okay, so this smacked, but of course I missed my entry. So if I wasn't backtesting, I would have taken this right here. And yeah, 1.78 RR. You could have scratched 1.88 here, but I don't really. Okay, that kind of sucks. I'm actually a little pissed about that. But there you go. It's backtesting for you. That shit low-key happens all the time. So I guess we'll just move. I mean, what time is it? We could just see what price does, I guess. Probably just gonna chop. Ooh, whoa, what? What is this rip? Okay, no, no entry at all. We're a little bit late in the day. I'll just go next. Just insta took that draw. I mean, come on. Okay. Let's keep going here. Okay, I don't want to miss market open. That was a little close, a little sketch for sure. Okay. We have here, this low I definitely like. Oh, wait, okay. We're at all-time highs, so my rule at all this is a lot of people's rules, of course. This is just regurgitated, like, information. But at all-time highs, like, you basically only want longs. So if you get a setup, you can be a little lenient with how your setup looks. Doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, you're at all-time highs. It's a really strong draw. Let's see. Let's keep going. If we can sweep this. Okay, I don't think we're gonna sweep this. We're just gonna chop. I mean, sure, dude. We are just going to chop like crazy for some reason. I mean, let's see what happens. I mean, I don't really like this at all, to be honest. Let's see what happens. 5 here. You could tap a 5. Okay. This day kind of had nothing happen, so that low-key sucks a little bit, but that's just how it goes. I mean, Yeah, okay. Let's go next day. Let's go next day. So I'll definitely do more backtesting, because this look, this website's a little fucked though. Sometimes moves your entry or your lines. I don't really know why it does that. Okay, and you also have to manually skip to your market open. So a little stupid. Okay, my voice keeps stopping the recording for some reason. What was it? Wait, hold on. Let me fix it. Okay. Let me fix. Okay, we're good. We are chilling right now. All right. So what are we at? All-time highs here. So I only want longs. This would low-key be my only point of interest, is this high. And of course, all-time highs, anything past that. So we have some points of reversal off of these. Definitely want longs only here. I would probably not advise shorting all-time highs like ever. So let's see. Let us see. Let's see what happens here. Hold up. We swept. Okay, we swept this 15-minute. We're low-key inversing off of this. I kind of like this inverse. Inverse the 5. Wait, let me go next candle. Okay, I'll take this. Swept some stupid lows. Inverse the 5. All-time highs in my draw, so it doesn't have to be pretty. Wait, I can't put my shit down. Okay. Bang. Targeting 60 points. Not too bad, not too bad. So I'd like to rock my stop loss, like protected by these gaps here. Should be good. Okay. Break even here, so. Don't stop me out, please. Okay, break even. Bang. Ooh, another break even. Back to back. A little unfortunate. I'm a little pissed about that, actually. Okay. We're just gonna chop probably, like all day. Like, come on. Ooh. Some nice movement. If we get any liquidity sweep here. 5-minute gap tap. Okay, both 5 minutes got tapped. We're like gonna inverse this 5. Okay. Wait, I actually like this. Inversing. Let's see. When does this candle start? What time? 7:57, 7:59. Oh wait, one more candle. Okay. It's a little late in the day, but I'm gonna take this just because I want all-time highs so badly. We will rock a safe stop here. Because, of course, it's late in the day. So please don't break even me. Okay. Oh shit, okay, I didn't even have time to break even. But it wouldn't have stopped me out of break even anyways. So break even point would be right here, obviously. And it didn't reverse off of it. So we are chilling. But there is another win on, okay. So I guess, there you go. Let's go next. Let's go next day. So yeah, September, I remember I live traded this, like I said. September did a lot of like all-time highs bullshit, but sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. That's for sure. In the case of October, it was bad. Because government shut down, it was just like chasing all-time highs the whole month. And dude, it was just the choppiest price action of all time. Okay, so it looks like my 4 hours are broken. Let me refresh here. Sometimes that happens. The 4 hour just breaks on this free website, but it's good. It's not the end of the world. Just hit a quick little refresh, should be chilling. Okay. Like this low. You get your eye gets low-key trained when you're trading. Like, you just know, like, okay, like this point is gonna be sick. Like, this point will be goated to go off of, like, to take a trade off of. Like, your eye just gets trained to it, I guess. So I want longs here because we're at all-time highs. Swept all these 15s. What time is it? 45. I don't know. Whoa. Okay, that's a huge candle. Should I even take this? Nah, wait. It's a little iffy. You could take that, to be honest, but I'm gonna fade it. Just not looking the best. Okay, you know what? I'm really gonna take this. I've faded what I said earlier. I'm just taking this shit. It's giving me the chance to, so might as well just take it. So I'm gonna target. Hold up. Well, I'm entering off this insane 5-minute closure. I'm gonna rock a stop down here. 1-to-1 it. Wait, actually, go down here and then go a little bit past. I like that. A little bit past all-time highs. Here we go. Don't. I'm gonna break even at all-time highs, of course. Whoa, okay. A little close there. Okay, break even now. No way. Okay, there you go. So, all-time highs trading, I just sort of like to put it at a reasonable amount of points. Like, I don't really like to chase crazy points, all-time highs. I mean, you kind of can, but yeah. Okay, it's Friday. I don't want to take a loss on a Friday. Friday, if you've ever traded, you know Fridays are not the best. You also know Mondays are not the best. So, low-key, just take your one trade and then get out of there. Like, you do not want to get caught. Like, oh my god, this shit is so bullshit. What was I saying? Oh yeah, you do not want to get caught, like, just trading some dumb, like, no news price action. Like, it's just not the best. Definitely not the best. All right, I might just take like one more trade here, just to show you that trading definitely isn't gambling. Trading is definitely a good skill to learn, and it's pretty, I don't know, I think it's pretty sick. So we're all-time highs again, so longs. That's my bias, longs. Easy as that. It's always good to trade with a bias in mind. I'm not even really gonna mark out anything here. We're just gonna, because I think it's just gonna keep ripping. No points of interest really. I'm just looking for, I mean, what would I look for here? I would just look for like something on the 5-minute, like, I don't know, a little 5-minute gap tap or something like that, that I like. So we just swept, what time is it? We just swept. I mean, I don't really like this that much, to be honest. We get it like a 15 gap. Okay, we have a 15 gap here. Bang. 15 gap tap. So look, here's the gap. Like, boom, this shit is insane. This shit is beautiful. 15 gap tap. I like that. And then, I mean, wait for a 1-minute entry or like a lower time frame entry. Well, okay. I mean, I don't trade exactly mechanical. I might just wait for a break. Okay, so look. It's like a 2-minute break of structure. Like, this is just too beautiful not to take. Hold up. I always do that. Okay. Now, what do I want to target? That was the real question. So this is where all-time highs gets a little sketch. I like to rock a safe stop loss. Definitely protected by some gaps or this low. Okay, I'll rock it below the 15. Bang, just 1-to-1 it, to be honest. You could probably do more, but there you go. Doesn't have to be pretty, doesn't have to be perfect, just fucking enter that shit and see what happens. Okay, look, we might lose this trade. Okay, we recovered. Don't lose this trade, please. Okay. I might break even. Bang. Please don't stop me. That candle looks like it's gonna stop me out. Okay. Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. Alright. That would be my last trade this video, and if anyone's watching this, let me know if you want to see more backtesting. So we got a couple break evens, couple wins, and yeah.